hungry. Are you hungry?
Oh, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. I'm Christy.
And I'm Jada.
And we are experiencing the first official day of our Corona quarantine. Now, we've been in, social distancing for quite a few weeks now. But today is the first official day. So for these next 30 days, we are challenging ourselves to do something better and to learn something new. And for those of you that know me, cooking is not my thing. So I am challenging myself to prepare healthy meals for our family. Jada and I, this is our daughter, our youngest daughter, and Dad is behind the camera there capturing all of this.
And
BJ is around here. He's going to eat up all the scraps that may fall to the floor. We're going to make sure that none of us do that. So the recipe that we're preparing today is what I like to call the HelloFresh Refresh. Should we do like a little move for the refresh?
Well, we better hope HelloFresh doesn't.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, we don't want to be sued by HelloFresh. So we'll just call it the Gator Media Refresh. How about that? So I've taken a HelloFresh meal that I really like, and we are adding a spin to it. We are recreating the menu, but we're adding some ingredients that we like, and we're just also using ingredients that we got from the store. So this is chicken, sausage, spinach, ricotta, ravioli. So some of the edits that we made to this recipe, it calls for chicken sausage, but Jada, what are we using instead?
Ground turkey.
Using ground turkey. And the ricotta is spinach ricotta ravioli, but we are actually using ravioli that we purchased from the grocery store. That is actually spinach mozzarella ravioli. So it's just a little bit of an edit to that. It's okay. And we're going to add our own cheeses and everything else. But pretty much everything else is still the same. So the only edits that we made are the turkey and the ravioli. Our recipe, and as you can see, we've edited the recipe, and yes, we added a little more cheese, but we added more vegetables. We added spinach to it, so I feel like, okay, doesn't that make up for the extra cheese that we added?
No.
Does. So it'll make it taste good. All right, so now is the moment of truth. We're gonna dig in. Looks good. James always says, your mama can sure make that food look good, but you better not eat it.
Yes, that is exactly what it says, and I agree.
I'll prove him wrong today. We're going to prove him wrong. All right, so let's try it.
I just want the ravioli.
Okay. Take what you want from there. There's yours.
Perfect.
And then there's the fork.
Thank you.
Then I'm going to try some. I love the ravioli.
I think that one should be mine.
Okay. You want a
It's mostly
smaller portion?
ravioli.
Yeah, you like the ravioli better. Okay, so I'm going to try it.
Who's ready, friends?
Let's see. Oh, wait, let's see.
And follow us on TikTok.
Follow us on where?
TikTok.
Okay.
So you can see all of our videos. Jada_Jackson28.
Okay, what she said.
Ready?
Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
No, I'm just kidding. It's good.
It's good. I like it.
Me too.
I like it. It's a light, early snack dinner. I mean, I know it's pasta and all that good stuff, but it's nothing fried. It's not heavy. And it's a nice little what is this? I guess it's dinner time now.
Not for me.
I always thought people were faking when they would like eat it and feel like, but it really is good. Well, it's almost done. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.